Okay, students, we'll continue the class now. See, in the last video, we have discussed actually how to convert this grouped data into less than type cumulative frequency. Now, in the same way, we are going to convert that into more than type. Okay, more than type frequency distribution table. More than type. So now, I'll ask the question in the form of, so after the distribution of paper, so more than or equal to 0 students, please stand up. The score who have got more than or equal to 0. Equal to 0 in the sense some students score is 0, no? So that's why we are using this one. More than or equal to 0 in the sense I'll get all the classes strength, no? Everyone. Okay. So everyone students they raise the hand because everyone's score is more than or equal to 0. Then what is the total strength here? So total strength is total 53 students. Okay, total 53. So then all the 53 students they raise the hand now. So more than or equal to 0 condition, first cumulative frequency is actually that is 53 strength. Got the idea? Everybody's score is more than or equal to 0. Now I'll change the question. What? More than or equal to 10, please raise her hands. Okay, more than or equal to 10. Then what happened actually? So 48. How 48? Total strength is 43. Now all the 53 students. All the 53 students they raise the hand for first sentence. More than or equal to 0. Now the next one is more than or equal to 10 ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸೊ ಈ ಲೆಸ್ ಇವ್ರು ಏನು 0 to 10 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕೈಯನ್ನ ಇಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ರೈಟ್ ನಾ ಅವರು ಮೋರ್ ದನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 10 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಸೇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ 0 to 10 in the sense this is 10 will be added for the second group. You have the idea of this one now continuous class interval 0 to 10 ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ this 10 we have to take in the count of this second class interval. Then 20 will be added to third group. Okay, then 30 up to 30 into 40 here 30. So that's why now more than or equal to 10 in the sense this 0 to 10 5 members they have to down their hands, that is 53 minus 5 which is equal to 48. Got the idea of the second frequency? Yes. Now I'll change my sentence. That is more than or equal to 20 students, please raise your hands. More than or equal to 20 in the sense what they have to do. So now what they have to do actually? Total 48 students in that. So, three students they have to down their hands. No, three students because 10 to 20 group members are three. So that is minus 3, which is equal to 45. Got the idea of this one? See, students, first is 53. Then 53 minus 5 is 48. 48 minus 3. Here you just observe. Don't see that less than type. Better we'll take this one only. Okay. Total when we add this one, total is 53. So 53 minus 5 is 48. Then 48 minus 3 is 45. Then which is the next one? More than or equal to 30. More than or equal to 30. Now 45 students raise their hand. Minus next term is 4. No, 20 to 30 members 4. So they have to get down their hands. That is 45 minus 4 is 41. Got the idea of this one? Yes. Next one. So more than or equal to 40. Then 41 minus 3. Right? 41 minus 3. Yes. 30. 41 minus 3 is 38. Got the idea of this one? Next, more than or equal to 50. Then here total 38 students are there. 38 minus again 3. 38 minus 3 is 35. Then more than or equal to 60. More than or equal to 60. That is 35 minus 4. That is 31. Then 31 minus 7. How much? 31 minus 7. Why all the students are very silent? Hello? Is it confusing, students? See, very simple. Total we have to add this 53. More than or equal to 0 in the sense all the 53 students they raise the hand. Then more than or equal to 10 in the sense 53 minus 5. So then we'll get 48. Then 48 minus 3. Okay, then 45. 45 minus 4. Like that we have to subtract. Okay. So then 31 minus 7 is 24. Okay, now 24 minus next 24 minus 9. 24 minus 9 is 15. Okay, now 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7 is 8. Got the idea? 15 minus 7 is 8. Got the idea? More than or equal to 90. See here, 90 to 100 range is 8. 90 to 100 scorers 8. So here the question is more than or equal to 90. So total 8 students. So our cumulative frequency table is right. This is the indication of yes, we are going in the right way. Got the idea of the preparation of less than type and more than type students. This is a very important topic. So that OGU concept is that is a fixed question for the examination. So they will ask the question in the form of draw a less than type OGU or more than type OGU. For that, first work is this one, preparation of the less than cumulative frequency table or more than cumulative frequency table. So less than type is okay. By adding the frequency, it will be very easy. But while converting it into more than type, you have to be very alert. Okay, so more than type, first 53, then 53 minus 5, first group. Okay, then 48. 48 minus 3, 45. 45 minus 4, 41. 41 minus 3, 38. 38 minus 3, 35. 35 minus 4, 31. 31 minus 7, 24. 24 minus 9, 15. 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. Got the idea of this one, students? This is the more than type cumulative distribution frequency. Is that clear? So in the cumulative frequency distribution, we can observe two types, that is less than type and more than type. This is not actually new one. So in the class, we are following this type of method now. After the distribution of paper, how many of you scored 0, more than 0, raise your hand, more than 10, raise your hand. So this is actually doing process now. So that we are preparing as a table, less than type cumulative frequency distribution and more than type cumulative frequency distribution. Is that clear, students? Do you have any confusion regarding this? So can we move further? Now actual concept we have to discuss, that is median of the group put data. So actually this is the basic part of the median of the group put data. So one is less than type conversion and another one is more than type conversion. Now you can choose any one, simple. Okay, you can choose any one simple conversion to find out the median of this group put data. So let us choose less than type. Okay, can I rub this more than type now? More than type is not necessary for me. So, okay, now I'm going to erase this one, more than type conversion. Okay, for the less than type also, I don't want this less than 10 and for the median, direct problem, for median problem. So this is a just basic part, less than conversion and more than conversion. So now we have to solve the problem. We have to find the median of this data. So for that we are going to take the help of this less than cumulative frequency only. So I'll erase this one because I'm going to prepare the table, this one only. Okay, so here only we'll add the last column. Cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency, that is short form is CF. Cumulative frequency. So now in the less than type, what we did actually, we added the frequency, no? So that method only will follow to find the median of this group of data. Okay, first one is 5. Then 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Then 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. 22 plus 7 is 29. 29 plus 9 is 38. Okay, 38 plus 7, how much you got? 38, 45. 45. Okay, then last 45 plus 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one is 53, is that? Yes, 53. Right now? Yes. So this is about the frequency distribution table. This is a actually now we have entered the median of the group put data. For the median of the group put data, now what we have to do, students? Just we have to take the marks column as it is, then number of students column as it is. We have to find the cumulative frequency. So here we have followed the cumulative frequency by the old method, that is before the ungrouped data we followed on method no like less than type. Okay, so we have followed the less than type cumulative frequency only. So now this is the preparation of the table. So now we have to take formula. Which formula we have to take to find the median of the grouped data? Yes, first I'll introduce the formula. Median, which is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. Okay, so this is the formula that we are going to use to find the median of the grouped data. So here median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. So got the idea of this formula now? What it indicates actually? L stands for what? N by 2. N is number of observation. N by 2 is that is number of observation divided by F. Number of observation divided by 2. CF in the sense cumulative frequency. But which cumulative frequency we have to take? That is the question mark. Then F stands for frequency. But which F we have to take? Okay. Then H is obviously that is class size. H is obviously that is class size. Now you just take the abbreviation of this one. CF is question mark, no? Cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Class preceding the median class. Preceding, succeeding word yesterday we discussed. Here, cumulative frequency of, in the sense cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Here one word arises, that is median class. Then what is median class? So yesterday we have discussed about the modal class. How you got modal class actually? Which is the highest frequency? That class interval is considered as modal class. But here it is a different way. How to find out the median class? That I'll explain now. Okay, median class. See, CF stands for the class preceding the median class. Okay, CF value is preceding the median class. Then what is F? F stands for the frequency of the median class. F stands for the frequency of the median class. Is that clear? H is the class size. Then L is the lower limit of the median class. N by 2 is the number of observation divided by 2. So while sending the notes, I'll send the detailed formula and in the information. You can check the textbook also because already time is 11:17. Let us finish this problem. Okay. Yes. Now can we start the problem? What is the first method? First step is we have to find out the median class. To get median class, what method we have to apply? So which method we have to apply? So that method is n by 2. To get the median class, first we have to do n by 2. What is n here? N is total number of students, that is 53 divided by 2. What is the value of 53 by 2? What is n by 2 here? 53 by 2. What is the answer? Yes, 26.5. Yes, 26.5. N by 2 we got 26 by 5. So 26.5. See students, very important step. After the preparation of the table, very first step is n by 2. We have to find n by 2 to get the median class. So here n by 2 value is 26.5. Now we have to search this 26.5 in cumulative frequency. Where you will get 26.5, that class interval is the median class, students. So now you just come here, up to 5 is here. Here we cannot find 26.5. Then 8, here also we cannot find 26.5. Up to 12, here also we cannot find. 20, 15, 18, 22. Up to 22 we can get here. Okay, then after 22 up to 29 it covers in this class interval. Okay, then what it indicates actually? 26.5 is covered in this section only, no? Yes, right, no? So we have to mark this like this. We have to put one box. This is the median class actually. Median class. How to find out median class? That is n by 2 value depending upon n by 2. N by 2 is 26.5. That 26.5 is here in the cumulative frequency. That indicates that 26.5 is here in this surrounding. So correct ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದೇ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಲೈನ್ fourth line, fifth line, sixth line. Yes. So better you have to mark like this. Put one box for this. This is a very important data. Okay. I'll erase this one addition part. I don't want this data. It just I need the frequency. This is frequency column and this is CF column. Okay. This is frequency and this is CF. Got the idea how to decide the median class? Okay, median class is this one 60 to 70. So now median class is 60 to 70. Now we have to list out what are all the data required for the formula. Let us mark L. L stands for the lower limit of the median class. Which is the lower limit of the median class? 60. Now what we need for the formula? N by 2. N by 2 is already ready. This is 26.5. For the formula also we need N by 2. Next to CF. What we discussed actually, CF is cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Preceding in the sense hindindu. Cumulative frequency, yava cumulative frequency, median class in a hindina frequency. So this stands for CF here. Got the idea? This is a very important topic. CF. CF is 22. CF is 22. CF stands for, so cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. In the sense 22 is a CF here. Next to F. F stands for the frequency of the median class. Median class is this one. Median class frequency is 7. This is F. Got the idea? F is 7. F is 7. So next H. H stands for the class size. What is the class size here? What is class size here? 0 to 10 in the sense what is the class size? 10. 10 minus 0 is 10 only. Very simple. 10. Class size is 10. Got the idea, students? Very important. See, median topic, you have to be very careful while solving the median concept. See, how to find out the median class? N by 2. 26.5. This 26.5 I'll get in this. Okay. So that's why I'm going to mark this one as a median class. Now median class is 60 to 70. Lower limit of the median class is 60. N by 2 is 26.5. CF. CF is nothing but CF cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Hindina cumulative frequency. Median class in a Hindina cumulative frequency 22. Frequency. F andre frequency of the median class. Frequency is this one 7. Then H is the class size. Okay. So if you got this much properly, then that part is very easy, just a substitution part. Now substitute the value in the respected formula. Median is equal to L is 60 plus N by 2 is 26.5 minus CF is 22 divided by F is 7 into H is 10. Got the idea of this one? Like yesterday, you have to keep 60 up to last step. First, you have to simplify this part. Is that clear? Next, 60 plus. Now, inside the bracket, you have to do the operation. Fatafat. 26.5 minus 22. What is the answer? 26.5 minus 22. Really? Then 4.5 divided by 4.5 divided by 7 into 10. So very simple here. 7 and 10 cross multiplication is not over in the sense 60 plus Here not possible, 7 and 10. So just multiply this 4.5 into 10, that is 45 by 7. 45 by 7. Now 60 plus 45 by 7. Like yesterday, 45 by 7 you can divide first, then add that value for the 60. Or by taking the LCM, you just add and divide. That is your choice. What is the final answer now? What is the final answer, students? 66.4. Is it a final answer? 66.4. I think 45 by 7 is 6.4. 45 by 7 is 66.42. Okay, then this is 6.42. 66.42. 66.42. Right now, got the idea of this problem, students? So yesterday we have discussed mode concept and today we have got the idea of median concept. So for yesterday and today there is a small difference. Okay, that mode concept is very direct, but choosing that model class and all. So here also we have to choose the median class. Then by the median class we have to choose the value related to formula. Okay, yes, got the idea of this median of group put data. This is actually median of group put data. Why we discuss that less than type and more than type? That is helpful for the next session also. But you have to keep it in mind here. This is a less than type conversion. But we are not writing as less than 10, less than 20, less than 30. Okay. So just we are taking the cumulative frequency of that less than type. Okay. Yes. Got the idea of this problem, students? Marks, number of students, prepare the cumulative frequency distribution table. Then very first step is n by 2. With the help of n by 2, you have to decide the median class. Then with the help of median class, you have to decide L, n by 2, CF, F and H. Then median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. So then median is equal to substitute the value and simplify. This is the median of group data. Is that clear, students? See, we have to discuss 2 or 3 more problems because in the median problem, you will get different type of questions. Okay, sometimes they will give the less than type condition problem. They will directly give the less than type problem. But we need the median class in the sense class interval now. So we have to convert that less than type into class interval. That is the major part of this median for group data problem. So that problem we'll discuss in the next class. Is that clear, students? Now already 10, 11, 26. So I think next class is there. I have to engage 9th standard also. So I'm going to end this class for this much only. Only for the simple ready problem, how to find out the median, that we discussed. Okay. And in the next class, we have to discuss the different type of median of group data. So here it is very ready-made for this one because class interval and are direct given. But for some different problem, they will give the less than type conversion and more than type conversion in the problem only. Using that less than type condition, you have to convert that into class interval form. Okay, then you have to take the frequency separate. They will give the cumulative frequency. When less than type is given, they will directly give the cumulative frequency. With the help of that cumulative frequency and less than type condition, you have to get the frequency. Okay, that is a different part of the median. So that type of problems also we have to discuss in the next class. So I'm not going to give homework of this median. Okay, median concept is not over. Only 75% of the median topic is over. So still 25% we have to discuss in the next class. So today's homework is you just work out the first exercise related to mean topic. Is that clear? Mean exercise is homework today. So that you have to finish. Okay, in the Monday, tomorrow is Sunday, no? So we don't have class. Monday, first I'll complete this median with the discussion of 2 more extra problems, different problems. Then directly I'll enter to the mean exercise problem. Is that clear? Mean exercise. So that on Tuesday we can discuss with the median and mode, or we can discuss with the OG last part of the statistics part. Then Wednesday we can spend the time for the discussion of the remaining exercise. So that Wednesday we have to finish the topic statistics. Is that clear, students? This is a easy topic actually starts, but you cannot neglect that it is an easy topic, so we can solve the problem without preparation. Okay, so got the idea of this one now. Formula is very important. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. CF is CF of the class preceding the median class. F is actually the frequency of the median class. Is that clear, students? Yes. If you are having doubt, you can message me. Otherwise, we'll end the class for today. Yes. Do you have any doubts regarding this less than type conversion and more than type conversion? Got the idea now? Yes. Do you have any doubts, students? Otherwise, we'll end the class because already time is. Yes. Okay. So no one is sending the message. So then we'll end the class for today. So we'll meet on Monday. Is that clear? Okay.